Hey beauties, thanks for tuning in to CYBTV. This is Cherish and I have a compilation video for you guys. Pretty much I'm going to be showing you exactly what I do to maintain my flat iron, straight, stretched hair. So I'm doing, I've already did 30 full days. Now keep in mind, I'm talking about my hair not being reverted back to my natural curls. So you're gonna see me do different things with my hair, but all in all, I am not letting it revert back to its natural state. So I'm keeping it straight or stretch. And this is actually day 30. So as you can see, my hair is still pretty much straight or stretched out. I just have it in these flexi rod curls, and it's been about 3 or 4 days since I've done these. So all in all, my hair has been pretty straight and stretched out for 30 days since I first flat ironed it. And as you can see, this is the new growth. And yeah, I just wanted to do this because a lot of times I hear, you know, girls with naturally curly hair or whatnot that we can't keep our hair straight, or they can't keep their hair straight for more than like sometimes a day or 2 days because it reverts back. I do show you guys and try to tell you guys little tips on how to keep it straight without it reverting. So if you want to see me go 30 days with my hair straight or stretched out, then keep on watching. Day 1. I just finished filming a video, but this is my hair. Straightened it last night. Hey, what's up? Day 2, day 2. Let me take this off. Day 2 hair. So it is day 3, I believe. Day 3, I believe. And it is the nighttime. I'm about to just, you know, lay it down. And I'm going to show you how I wrap my hair up to maintain the sleekness so it won't, you know, sweat out, so it will look nice and straight still. Still has lots of body, lots of movement. I have not added any heat since the day I flat ironed my hair. And when I did flat iron my hair, I only have to do 1 pass. And I had the flat iron on 420, and that's what I normally use it on all the time. So this is my scarf. I actually had on one of my older videos, I actually had someone comment and say, oh, that's too much scarf for that amount of hair. My hair was shorter then, but I'm like, that doesn't make any sense. Too much scarf. Like, there's no such thing of too much protection, okay? Please. But I've had this scarf for like 10 years, and it's not going anywhere anytime soon, and it's always maintained my hair. That comment was irrelevant. It was just funny to me. Anyways, people use scarves for short hair and like pixie cuts and stuff, so I don't think there's any such thing of too much scarf. So this is what I do. I brush my hair into the circle, around and around, and I've been using this Smooth and Shine polishing hair polisher. I used this like years ago, but I would put a little bit. It's what I've been doing the last couple nights, just to kind of smooth on top of here and around here. It has not weighed down my hair, as you were able to tell. Still has movement. So you only need a very, very little bit of this stuff. It really does keep your hair smooth and shiny. Now I'm going to put this on. And voila, that's how I wrap my hair. It's day 4. So I've already put my makeup on for the day and I'm ready to leave the house. So what I do is I just take off my head wrap, twist it off, and I just let my hair fall. So this is my hair straight out of the wrap. Part on the side or in the middle. Let's see. And I'm going to rock with the middle part today. Day 5. Oops. I actually wrap my hair the opposite direction because I normally wrap it this way, but I switch it up when I notice that my hair on this side is getting way too flatter than this side, so I wrapped it this way. Ooh, that's good. Thank you. Yay, got a package. Hey, it's day 7, first week down. And this is my hair. So literally I've been out all day from morning till what? Now it's like about to be 11 p.m. at night. I was out of the house by like 11 a.m. So 12 hours into 12 hours in the elements, and this is my hair. Didn't sweat out. The oils have set in by now, so it won't be easy to poof up or anything like that. I ended up putting my hair up. Simple as that. This is the bang area. I actually was laying on this, so it's a little crumpled. It's because it's a little windy outside, and I don't like my ends rubbing against my clothes because that's how you get like split ends. But as you can see, it's still straight. Once my hair oil set in, I like to put it in ponytails just because I feel like for me it's just better. And then plus the brushing and stimulating the scalp helps with the hair growth. But yeah. Hey, hey, hey. Day 12. My hair has been up in a ponytail for the last few days. Oh yeah. So it is day 16 and my hair has been up. I've just been keeping it up. I haven't been wrapping it. I stopped wrapping it after the first week. But my hair is still straight, still stretched, and I can still like put it down. Yeah, since the oils have set in and my hair has, you know, been pretty much straight for the last couple weeks. Usually after 2 weeks, I would actually choose to either wash my hair and, you know, deep condition it and then flat iron it, or I'll just like find styles to do. I allow myself to put heat into my hair as long as it's been 2 weeks. Yeah, so I know I'm gonna go put some wand curls in my hair. I'm gonna show how I go from flat hair to voluminous hair. Okay, this is day 18. So I put some long curls in it last night and did a video. So go check on how I get my hair from like flat, which you already saw it flat, just no life, just really way down to more fullness and volume. This is what it looks like. So this is day 19. This is my hair. This is how it looks. So this is third day wand curls, and they're still like in. It's more like a light wave. And yeah, this is how I wore my hair today. I just wanted to come on and show you guys. Hey you guys, so it is day 20, and as you can see, my hair is up in a ponytail. I still have some type of wave going on in there, in this hair, from my wand curls. You know how it is if you're a curly girl. Try to hold on to this flat iron hair. So, this is how it looks. Hey, so today is day 21, and yeah, I took it out the ponytail today, and look at my hair. It still actually have some of the wand curls that I did a few days ago, and it still is able to go down. It still has movements. My hair actually doesn't look bad. So it's day 22. And my hair is back in a ponytail. Yeah. So today is day 23. And my hair is in a ponytail. Yep. Still have some of the waves in from the wand curls. And that's pretty much how I've been wearing my hair for the last couple days. Just up in this ponytail. This is my hair. I went on and took it out of the ponytail and just brushed it or combed it down. I haven't put any heat since I did the wand curls at 17 days. So yeah. And I'm looking a little rough because it's early in the morning and this is makeup from yesterday. How's it going, Team CYB? No, but it is day 25 of my straight stretched hair. My hair is still able to be easily manipulated and manageable. So yeah, I just put it up in this bun today and this is what I'm rocking. Hey, it's day 27 and it's like really early in the morning. I just finished rolling my hair. I wanted to put curls in it again, but of course no heat, so I had to use these flexi rods, and I use this oil moisturizing lotion. I like how it leaves my hair shiny and like really soft, so hopefully this comes out. So it's still day 27, and I actually had took out the flexi rod sets that I did earlier this morning, and this is my hair. It is at night now, and yeah, this hair is really greasy, very greasy and oily now, because the stuff I used to, which I showed you, that stuff is very oily, which I didn't think it was that oily, but the curls came out cute. Day 28, and I have my hair up because this is how I kept it literally like pretty much all day. So I can kind of reserve the curls. I'm going to take this down to show you. It's ready to be washed and, you know, conditioned. Hey, it is day 29. So just showing you guys my hair. Like I said, my hair is really oily. But other than that, I feel like my hair has done a pretty good job in staying like stretched out and, you know, easy to manage. You know, it has new growth a lot. You can see that.